So this is Chris with No Moss SoftWash. We are the official affiliate of SoftWash Systems in Northern California, Sacramento region. We're out of Elk Grove, California, second generation soft washers, and we just are excited about what we want to show you right now about gutter guards. And what we're using is called Raindrop gutter guards. When your roof gets mossy, because you're going to have about 6 years after you put a roof on, it's going to start getting a little bit of mossy. And about 7-10 years later, you start getting big pieces of moss like this. Your roof starts turning green, and everything starts falling into your gutters. Well, we have tried different gutter guards, and we have some that are the mesh type, but we found out that they fill up and then water flows over top of them. So we searched high and low for a gutter guard, and we came across the Raindrop gutter guard. This is an amazing gutter guard, and what it does, it's made out of polypropylene. It has a 20-year manufacturer's warranty on it. It's been out for about 25 years and has 0 negative reviews. All of them are 5-star reviews. After 25 years, it's amazing. We looked at it and we tried it. So all this stuff, all these leaves, all the water, all the moss, all these pieces, this actually will fit any type of gutter. So you got a 4-inch, 5-inch, 7-inch. We can take care of that. They actually are scored on the back side. We can bend them. They're flexible. They're made out of polypropylene. Same as your garbage cans. So they're very durable. I've had trees fall on gutters and these pop out. No questions. No scars. Take these, put them underneath your existing shingle, whether it's a tile, whether it's made out of the composite barrel style or even rolled steel style. It doesn't matter. This will adapt to any gutter. Goes underneath, water flows right through it. It doesn't flow over top of it. We put a couple screws in it. Anything that comes out of here, it just rolls right off. Rolls right off of it. Rolls all your leaves. But your water flows through it. It'll take up to 10 gallons a minute if you want to. Hard pressure, hard storms, Raindrop gutter guards, and No Moss SoftWash. Works great. It's awesome.